I'm still in my GF1031 Southeast Madison underscore cloud.dwg file in the cloud. Now, this is very clever technology because I'm in the AutoCAD desktop, but I'm using a cloud-based drawing. So I'm using the cloud as, in essence, my hard drive. It's quite clever. But there are other collaboration tools available in AutoCAD as well. Now, they're over here on the Share panel, on the Collaborate tab on the ribbon. You've got Share Drawing and you've got Shared Views. We'll look at Shared Views in a minute. I'm going to go to Share Drawing first. Now, if I click on Share Drawing, basically what it does is it allows you to share the drawing as a view only or as an edit and save a copy version. So if I select that, you'll notice the link here changes and the link will expire in 7 days. But what it does is it sends a link that can be opened in AutoCAD on the web or AutoCAD on mobile. So this makes me sort of say to you that you need to start investigating AutoCAD web and AutoCAD mobile so that you can use them as part of your AutoCAD subscription. They're a fantastic tool to make your drawings mobile and give you the mobility for your files and allow you to work quicker and smarter. So you can send one as view only, you can edit and save a copy, you can copy the link and even just pop it in an email if you want to. So that's how you can share your files using that little paper plane icon. Notice it's up there on the quick access toolbar as well. Now, shared views is a very different thing. Now, shared views, again, you have to be signed into your Autodesk account for this to work. So I'm going to create a new shared view. And as you can see, it's the GF1031 Southeast Madison cloud drawing. I'm going to share the current view only, and I'm going to create 2D views only. You can utilize 3D drawings or models with this. So if I now hit share, what will happen is it will background process this. So when I hit proceed, if you look down at your status bar at the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see a little square flashing. Just there, a little cubey square thing. And it's publishing the shared view. So you can see there, if I move the palette, the share view is now complete. So if I view it in the browser like so, you can see in the Autodesk viewer there, it takes a few seconds to load, but obviously that's based on internet speed, bandwidth, etc. And what I'll do in a minute is I'll sign in to my Autodesk account once it's loaded so that you can see all the tools in the Autodesk viewer. So now we have got a web-based drawing that people can't edit, but they can view. So if I sign in and just pop my username and password in again, like we did for AutoCAD Web, so pop those details in. You can stay signed in if you want to, but make sure that it's a private machine, not a public machine if you do that. So now I'm in Autodesk Viewer, which is literally just a web-based viewer of files. Now, it doesn't just view DWG files. You can view Revit files, Inventor files. Pretty much any type of CAD file can be viewed in this web-based application. So I can add comments. You'll notice I can add a comment. I can print it. I can screenshot it. I can share it again as well. I can also zoom to fit, go to home. I can zoom, I can pan, I can measure. So let's do a bit of zooming here. I'm going to zoom in a bit on the restrooms and just pan across a little bit like that. And then if I go to measure, I can measure from there to there. And it's roughly 965 millimeters. I can also mark up. So give it a few seconds to load that up. I can pop a little bit of text there and I can just click like so, and I can put check dimensions like that for, what should we say, cubicle. Click away from that and it adds that there like so. I can save that information like that. So that will now be saved and it goes into comments like so. So there's my 2D view and my comment there. That link can be sent, it can be copied, and somebody can look at that and go, oh, I need to check those cubicle dimensions. So this is another great collaborative tool. It's called the Autodesk Viewer. When you get away from the course, go and check it out and see how many files you can view in the Autodesk Viewer. It's a phenomenal collaboration tool, and it's great if you've got people that don't use AutoCAD, AutoCAD Web and AutoCAD Mobile are great if you use AutoCAD. But if you want to share your drawing with a non-CAD user, Autodesk Viewer is the way forward.